How to see your download speed in Windows 11. In an era where high speed internet has become an integral part of our daily lives, keeping a close eye on your network's performance is essential. Whether you're troubleshooting a slow connection or simply curious about your download speed, Windows 11 provides several methods to help you gauge your network's capabilities. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to check your download speed in Windows 11, ensuring that you stay informed and empowered when it comes to your internet connection. One of the most common methods is to use the Task Manager, which provides real-time information about network activity. Here's how you can check your download speed in Windows 11. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In the Task Manager, click the Performance tab. Click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi, depending on your network connection. This will display real-time network usage for your active network adapter. You can see the upload and download speed as sent and receive at the bottom. If you don't have any activity on the internet, it will display as 0. But when you start downloading or uploading, you will see the change in the numbers. If you want to monitor your download speed in real time without having to open additional windows, you can do so by downloading the free app called NetSpeed Meter from the Microsoft Store. It takes up very little space on your desktop, but you can also pin it to your taskbar by right-clicking on it and selecting Keep in Taskbar. One more method to measure your internet speed is by using internet speed test websites such as Speedtest by Ookla or Fast.com. These websites will provide you with detailed information about your download speed, upload speed, and ping latency. Remember that your download speed can vary based on several factors, including your internet service provider, network congestion, and the capabilities of your network equipment. It's a good idea to test your download speed at different times to get a more accurate picture of your internet performance. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.